Hey guys, this is Solomon from FX and Crypto. I will be taking a very quick sell trade all the way down here. Okay, my software is giving me signs to take a sell trade. Okay, and maybe I'll even extend the take profit all the way down here. Maybe I'll take my first take profit here and second take profit all the way down there. I could take a short scalp or a long scalp, but I decided to take a scalp that will make me a lot of profits. So far on the $250 account that we started, we are up over 100% in profits. And yeah, what is today? The 17th of May. And yeah, if you want to buy the course, go to nfxandcrypto.com. If you want to get signals for 1 year, go to nfxandcrypto.com. If you want to use the broker that I use, which is Miracle Market, fast deposits, fast withdrawals, I will make a withdrawal video. So I've made some withdrawals with the broker. You can click the link in the description below, or in my in description below to go to Miracle Market, sign up. And if you want to copy my trades, you need to have at least $500 in your account to be able to copy my trade. Looks like we're already rushing very quick into profits. With that being said, like, share and subscribe, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the markets. Alright guys, as you can see, the trade I tried to sell yesterday, the markets continue to go up, so I had to hedge it. And as you can see, we're almost fully hedged out of this trade. Still growing this account. It's more than 100% profit so far. If you want to learn how to hedge, go to NFX and Crypto. If you want to copy my trades, the signal is going to start at the end of June 2023, and it's going to be for 1 year. If you don't join in early, it will be closed, and the next time it's opening is in the next 6 months. Anyways, with that being said, if you want to copy my trades, you can join Miracle Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $500 in your account to be able to copy my trade when we start. And we'll be right back when we're into more profits. I'm gonna try to hedge out this trade to come out with more profits in the end. Like, share and subscribe. As you can see, we're getting closer and closer till we hit our break even and close out with some profits. Like, share and subscribe for more. Alright guys, as you can see, I am hedged out on this position, but I'm gonna close it on my phone, so I'll screen record that for you guys. So first of all, you should see this profits close, and then I'll close the rest and start closing the losses and closing more losses. I'm just doing it one by one, closing more losses. And yeah, that's how you hedge out of your trade in profit. Okay, boom. Alright guys, like, share and subscribe. If you want to buy the course, go to NFX and Crypto. If you want to get signals, go to NFX and Crypto. Message me on Telegram and WhatsApp. Let me remove this annoying alarm. And yeah, you can join the Telegram group also. You can also use the same broker that I'm using, which is Miracle Markets, link in description below. If you want to copy my trades, you need to have minimum of $500 in your account. Starts at the end of June. It's a one-time payment and it lasts for 1 year's signal. And if you don't join before the end of June, you have to wait 6 more months to be able to join in again. Like, share and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another trading video soon.